The School of Art at San Francisco State has managed to find a creative way to showcase students' work. The miniature gallery, measured at 30.5 by 33 inches, was placed inside the Martin Wong Gallery, located in the Fine Arts Building, which has previously been responsible for students' exhibitions. Due to shelter in place, Gaelan, Spore, and Garen have created a three-dimensional miniature gallery to allow students to continue to showcase their artwork. Weekly exhibitions are posted on Martin Wong's gallery Instagram page after being installed in the mini Martin Wong Gallery.
It's a lot easier because it's like otherwise like where would I like direct people to, I guess. Like people are asking like, oh, you have a show, like where can I see it? And it's like a lot easier to be like, let me just DM it to you on Instagram, you know?
Yeah.
This is the blueprint that we use the entire time.
It's so embarrassing.
And it's on this like ripped piece of paper, but it contains so many numbers. And the Martin Wong is super irregular, so there's all these little things that jut out. And we could have been more casual about it, but Gaelan and I are both pretty detail like specific, so we like measured every little thing that jutted out from the wall.
And it's like not it's like not regular in any way. Like there's so many like weird things that pop out, and yeah, it's just bananas.
Anything I can do to keep the students engaged and keep them excited about, their own work, and again, like just create these connections and these communities. I'm happy to do whatever I can.
The mini Martin Wong will continue on till spring semester. If you would like to take a look, follow on Instagram at SFSU MWG, where exhibitions will be posted weekly.